welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, man, y'all see what I see? Whoa, that PT Cruiser has been moved real quick. Okay, so that means it drives, because I do not want to think that they pushed it right there, right? We don't want to believe that, guys. So the thing does start and run. Alrighty, that was a black one right there. What else wrong with that? Alright, let's see what's going on. I think he got a Pentastar in here. He's a ticker and a Pentastar. So let's go ahead. Is this a BMW I see? Yes, this guy called. That's a Charger with a Pentastar. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and find out. Because I think he needed some lifters. I had to bring a bag of rock arms. I had to bring a bag of rock arms over here. So let's see what my man over here doing. See the old car still here. I don't want to put my man license plate on here, but what the hell is going on right here? Yo. So okay. He going back with it. I didn't catch the good stuff. Are you up and running? See that guy, that special tool? Yes, we pull it out from time to time. We use it. And this one right here is really good because you get to hold the cams in place while you torque. You hear what I say? Torque down these phaser bolts. Those are cam phasers, guys. Very important. Guys ask me all the time, is there a lifespan to cam phasers? There's a lifespan to every part on the car, guys. But it's I dubbed it a 80,000 mile phaser. Okay, for a while there I was going with 100 because I hadn't seen one fail until after 100. Now that time that I had one fail, I had codes for cam sensor P0340. Now guys, where's the cam sensor? This sensor right here monitors the rotation of the camshaft, right? It sits right there, turned this way, so it tells the computer the position of each camshaft. Now that information is needed, guys, because the computer needs to time the engine. The only way you're gonna time it is with knowing where its location is, right? Right. All right. So I don't want y'all to hear all that wind noise that's going, but he up and running. You about to fire it up, ain't you? So you didn't need the cams out though? You got me running over here with two camshafts.
There was that one in the back.
This one right here.
Yeah, number 5.
Oh, that's what. Oh, the rock on. Where's it at? You got it?
Not the rock on.
Yeah, the rock on here. I'm gonna dig through.
Somewhere.
Yeah, guys. So let me see if I can find y'all the fail one. There's not much difference than in the Hemi as far as the needle bearings and roller bearings coming apart. One day we're gonna FCA is gonna get a handle on this, and I think they have with the invention of the new ones. Here it is right here. This is what was causing the ticket. I mean this. Yeah, that's what I got right here. I've seen worse, guys, but it don't take much. Remember, guys, the camshaft load rolls over this up and down. If the bearing's not filling this space, tick, tick, tick. Every time that load run over there, tick, tick. Okay, now y'all know me, the way I think. I'm a big fan of the lifters, especially on the bad rock arm. All right, so but some customers want them all, so we give them all. So you already done the other side. Now, can you do one side and do the other side later? It all depends on your finance, guys. A lot of the decision making process is very reliant on your finances. Okay, you can literally fix what's broken. You can literally act like Chrysler's warranty company. If this was in a dealership, I'm at Brothers Motors now, but if I was at a dealership and I found this, I only am required to replace just this. They will not just let me randomly replace them all just because they may go bad. All right. So, yes, a lot of people ask that, can I just fix it? Yes, you can. Is it a smart thing to do? Depending on how you look at it. So I'm not gonna dog anybody out for because finances plays a major role in what you your decision making process, what you do. So, but yeah, and guys, I've seen these. Depending on the mileage, I've had one of these leak. The spark plug too said, watch this video right here. I'll show you how to install this, get it out. You ain't gonna have a problem getting it out. If it's real bad, it's gonna fall out. But getting a new one in, there is a special tool. However, you can use a socket that fit the diameter of the seal and just merely tap it in. So no big deal with that. But yeah, we almost done, man. So no. Okay. So y'all ready, man? Come on in, man. We here. We need my man here, his car is nice. So you cannot be riding around with a car looking this good with a ticking motor. So he almost had no choice. Look how this is a beauty. Okay. Yes. Look at the wheels. I ain't gonna put all this business out there, but this car is a beauty. You cannot. They do not go together. A ticking motor and a beautiful car do not go together, guys. So if your car ticking, get it fixed. See that? One of the most important procedures of the whole job is actually torquing down things, guys. Very important. Somebody asked me the other day, can you do one without the tool? That's up to you, man. It can be done, but if you haven't done, right, if you haven't done a lot of them, guys, I highly, and there's somebody asked me, where do they find this tool? Because the eBay and Amazon sell the plastic ones. Last time I seen this tool was at a dealership. Yeah, so I don't know if you have access to. See that? That is a Mopar part number. All right. So actually, we are doing both sides. You can ready to do the other side. Do one side at a time, guys, so you won't throw your timing off. A lot of guys ask me if the timing get off, can you use the other side to put the other side in time? Absolutely. Just got to know what you're doing. So, but even though we found that's bank 1 over there, even though we found the failure in bank 1, customer much rather get them all done. So we're now headed to repair bank 2. All right, guys. So like I say, Brothers Motors, man. Don't let your car, don't ride around with no ticking. Now y'all remember that push rod, guys. We came to the conclusion that bent push rod, extended driving with a ticking can cause that. So don't let that happen, guys. No, get it. First sign of ticking, let's get it done, man. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna head up out of here. I just about to check on my man, see what's up. And we got some more stuff to do, guys. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right. I'll get right back with you. Stay tuned.